Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GO2bank card. Step-by-step guide, step-by-step clearly. To activate your GO2bank card, start by locating your card and the activation instructions included with it. Make sure you have your smartphone or computer ready. Visit the official GO2bank website or download the GO2bank mobile app. If you're using the website, click on the Activate option found on the homepage. For app users, open the app and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, select Create an account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, navigate to the Activate Cards section. Enter your card number, which can be found on the front of your card. You will also need to input the last 4 digits of your social security number. After entering the required information, click on the Activate button. You may receive a confirmation message that your card has been successfully activated. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, check the card and information for accuracy. You can also contact GO2bank customer service for further assistance. After activation is complete, you can start using your GO2bank card for purchases and transactions. Remember to set up a PIN for added security while using your card. Keep your card in a safe place to protect against unauthorized use. Enjoy the benefits of your new GO2bank card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.